Hello folks, just going to do something a bit different. It's not something we've done before, but from time to time people do send us stuff, sometimes unsolicited and sometimes it's been arranged. Would you like me to send a such and such? So here's a box which has arrived, and I think this is an unsolicited one, but this gentleman is quite regular, and you know, it is welcome, but I don't want people to think they've got to go and send things. I hate these, especially American videos where they've got a PO box and you send them stuff and they unbox it on the thing. I don't do that, but some of this stuff is useful. So I haven't been through this. I've probably taken the lid off, but I haven't actually gone any further than this. So this is one of them. So in here is a power supply with a magnetic speaker. So we've got a CTE F35, and the letter that accompanied this, I think he says he's changed the capacitors in it. So that's allegedly 3 to 5 amp power supply. We'll be putting this, we'll do a video on this because we need to make sure it is spot on, and I would like to put it on our power supply tester, and it's probably nearer 2 amps, but that's really welcome because that's absolutely ideal. A no frills power supply and a CTA branded one. So then we've got this, several makes did these. You can either screw it with the bracket, or you've got this magnetic bit, as you saw it stuck to the power supply, so a useful extension speaker. So what we got here, that looks like it fits that one looks like it fits a Maxcom 7E because it's a smaller one. And that one, it looks like the 2.1mm one, which fits other things. So they're always welcome. And he's done them nicely to banana plugs. And finally, we've got some bits and pieces. There's an odd BNC in there and some odd fuses, and there you go. So thank you very much. I don't mention any names. Also, we've got this. So he's either sent me a bar of soap. Oh, brilliant! It's a soldering kit and desoldering tool, a wire stripper, and some solder and some bits. So that's new, isn't it? So thank you very much for that. When I ran a mobile disco, we used to have something like this in the van, because inevitably something would want the soldering iron getting to. And Mark, who was actually coming for the weekend here, G7NDJ, he used to sometimes help me with the disco, and he'd sit there always soldering something together. So there we go. So thank you for that. Now the next one, this is a trade customer. He says, I've got a CCTV monitor and things and some other bits and pieces, and I dropped off some repairs to him at Sheffield, and he says there's a box for you to collect. So this is the box for me to collect. So I've said I've received the box, but I'll open it on a video. So there we go. So you never know, could be a jack in the box. It ain't ticking. There we go. So, tell you what, we'll see if we can just wind the camera up a bit. We're in the chapel today because it's the only place where there's any room. That's fine. So what have we got here? A Palmer something or other. Oh, it's a Palmer GX29. And what's in here? It's a Palmer GX29. I think somebody's been buying some of the clearance stuff from Night. Some lids and speaker lids. Right. The Alien Pod video recorder operating manual. Who makes up names like Alien Pod?
It's a little bizarre, isn't it?
Yeah.
Something unusual, worth looking into more.
So, this is either a 77104 or it's the other version. Yeah, it's 104, isn't it, that? These boards are always welcome. So thank you for that. Oh, that's the driver disc and things for that CCTV thingy. I'll have a play with. We have quite an extensive CCTV system here, but we know cameras in this particular building, and it might be something which could be useful. So here's the pod of the alien variety. I'll tell you what, Simon,
Yeah, just stick
you
this
plug
in
that
the
in.
extension
I'll
and
just plug this
see what
in
we get.
first.
Has it got that in properly? I don't know what's already plugged it in.
That's it. So, plonk that there.
Right, I'm going to put this in now. That's in. Should I do anything? Where's the power button?
Is it there? Is it? Oh, there. No, that's the light.
Is there a power switch on the back?
Oh, might be. Yes.
It was just a thought.
Well, it's not CRT, is it, with an instant come on like that?
No. What's it doing? Not a lot, blank screen.
Well, probably nothing because it's booting up.
Well, at least it's doing something.
Well, I can't say I've ever seen one.
It does state on there, mobile phone monitoring networkable. So
Right.
if you've got a mobile phone that's got all the latest gubbins on it, you can tether it to that, you can
Is that
cast
right?
it to that
Yeah.
and cast the images to it.
You don't use mobile phones for surveillance, do they? I don't know.
Well, some people do.
No idea. Anyway, there we go. That's brilliant. So thank you for that. And the kind of cameras it takes, it does. They are BNC, so normally composite one. And alarms, audio, LAN, USB. Yeah, we'll have a good play with that. So there we are.
Certainly an interesting piece of
You
kit.
can have that and
Yeah,
take
I'll
it
take
away.
it over.
We'll just carry on looking through what's left in this box. Oh, Denita 440, what on earth's that? Oh, it's a CPT set. Don't know what that extra board is. How's that? Because it says FM, and is this because there was an AM version, this was new out, and it's got to have a speech processor board? I don't know. We'll have to look at the Squirky. I have got one of these. I'm sure I've done a video on one of these. But there we are. That's everything like that is welcome. He also did give an illegal radio in a box, which of course we have to chop up for legal reasons. What's this? Another Palmer. This is GX2000 Palmer. So that's that. GX19 Palmer. Got one of these with noisy transmit. I bought it as working off eBay, but working to them obviously mean on transmit. And another GX2000 and a GX9. We're going to have to get something totally working. We've got to resurrect something out of this box. And a Palmer GX29, because I love doing resurrections. So they are examples of what can come our way, and no doubt the people who give these things enjoy watching videos which we do incorporating most of the kind of stuff. Not always. No. But there we are. So, very short bit of video unboxing some tat. We've got a couple of record players to unbox, so that's going to be another unboxing video in here. So thanks for watching unboxing of donated things.